am here.
Hello.
Hello. I'm gonna try False Sun, I guess.
Maybe this time my internet won't crash and burn.
Yeah, hopefully. Okay.
That's strange. That's still the only time that's ever happened since. Where it just goes down for 20 seconds and then comes back. Or however
Give me a
long
second,
it
I need
was.
to read what False Sun does. And secondary. What is growth?
I think there's only one character from Risk of Rain 1 that's not in this game now. And I think it's Enforcer.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, we spawned right next to Halcyon Shrine.
You wanna go for it now? We don't have money.
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, you're False Sun.
Yeah, False Sun.
I was tempted to go Chef, but I decided against it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I still haven't played the new Chef yet.
I haven't either. I only played the old chef. Did I? No,
The old
yeah, I
shitty
only
chef.
played the old chef. Yeah, the old shitty.
I see Newt.
Newt.
What do you think? False Sun Path or nah?
Nah.
Fuck. Wow. You don't see anything, by the way.
I'm seeing a bunch of wisps that I'm failing to kill, so that's what I'm seeing.
I'm definitely not dying.
Oh, what the fuck? Bruh. How are you that
What?
low?
Don't ask questions.
I am asking all of the questions. You cannot stop me.
I want you to stop.
Mocha. Ooh. Mocha printer. There's a tricorn trophy if you want it.
Ah, sure, I guess. It's an insta-kill.
There's also a scrapper. If you want to scrap the key for a mocha.
I'm alright.
Nice. Oh, repulsion armor. Mountain shrine. Right. heli up here.
Okay. I'm gonna start filling up the Halcyon Shrine over here.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Might take me a bit to get over there, but I'm on my
It's
way.
fine.
Here I am.
Charlie's pissed off right
you
now.
like her.
Unlucky.
What's he pissed off about?
I don't know, he just said I'm super
Oh.
pissed off right now. Oh, he didn't say super, but he just said he's pissed off right now.
Or was a little piss baby?
He is, dude.
Oh, what the fuck? He's here.
Yeah, a little bit. Ow.
Just. Oh, I am hurting. I am hurting.
I got a sail star.
Ooh, nice. I got a bottled chaos. I got it because it was a red item. So I thought, why not? I forgot what it did, so.
Red item, go burr.
Yeah, red item, go burp.
You know, seeing the color red makes your heart beat faster.
No, but okay. I didn't know that, but alright. Wow, I'm so good at this game I don't even need to hit the targets to kill them. Something else just sort of does it for me, you know?
Ethereal being.
Yeah,
Ethereal. I love just running up this mountain, it's funny.
Hmm.
Very material.
Material. It's a Molotov.
I'd rather have that than this.
You don't like tricorn?
No, it's basically useless.
It gets you a yellow item. And you get to one-hit the boss. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright.
Is your yellow up here?
Yeah. That's close. You can have the other yellow.
Okay. Is there another chest around here? There has to be, right?
I don't know.
Like just one more, just so I could use the stale star before we leave.
I don't know. Oh, there's a crit glasses printer here.
I get guaranteed crits.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that you're a what are you playing? That what it playing Bandit?
Yeah.
Couldn't remember what the character's name was.
Gets
so-
from behind.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go find the
He is
chest real
Spy
quick.
TF2. Okay.
I feel like there has to be one around here.
Hmm.
One that we missed. There's gotta be one. Yeah, there it is. There's one.
Gotta be.
Here, I'm scrapping that.
Hmm. Sweet.
You know what? I'll
Alright,
scrap the
time
fuel
to
cell
portal.
too.
No.
So I'm scrapping the fuel cell too.
Hmm.
I'm
Damn.
gonna grab a mocha.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, we going to Newt.
Yeah, go for it. Might
Right.
as well.
Ooh, we got Yuke and Happiest Mask.
I don't want to risk losing my Sail Star for a Yuke.
Why does it? Oh, okay, I see.
What?
Do you not have Artificer unlocked? Why is Bro here?
I do.
I have him unlocked, obviously, so why is he here?
Artificer's she's always here.
Oh, I thought she wasn't here if everyone had it.
No,
Or what does this one do? This feather? Oh, never mind.
I don't know. I didn't know you were asking about it.
I didn't want to know.
Oh, Host of
Anyways,
Heresy?
I
Oh,
have...
that. If it's a thing of heresy, that's something that replaces one of your
Oh,
abilities.
okay, I didn't know it was a thing of heresy.
Glass. Glass.
Oh god.
Oh, 2 glasses. Yummy. Yummy.
Bruh.
What? There a problem?
You and your glass. What is the shape? Or sorry, fucking whatever.
Yeah, fuck it, I'll do it.
What is the...
The what?
Never gotten this one. The brittle crown. What does it do? I don't have it in my logbook.
Let me look. I know I definitely do.
Hello.
Hey, but we're playing Risk
Hello.
Rain. Oh, it's this one. So, if when you hit an enemy, you gain gold, but if you get hit, you lose gold.
Hmm. Okay. I shan't do that then.
I'm ready
You
if
wanna
you are.
go through Void, or...?
Yeah, we'll go to Void.
Okay. I wonder if those little things are here again. The little funky dudes. Still don't know what they are. Oh, I see one. Ow. I wonder why they are here.
You ready?
Yeah.
But you better be, because I already went in
Ow.
the portal. You just fire a
Oh, wait.
Nova.
Yeah. I got on low health. Despite being halfway out of the bubble, I am protected.
True. I probably one-shot these guys. Wherever they are. Wherever they may be.
Beetle guards.
Wherever the fuck they may be. Oh, there's one.
Shoot. Gun shoot.
I can basically one-shot them.
Hello, Peter. Welcome to Fortnite.
I don't even have to aim in their general direction.
Hmm.
Ow.
Damn. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Why do you think it's a good idea to get shaped glass when we're going to Void next?
Do you have a problem?
Yes!
What's your problem? I'll try to remedy it.
That I'm likely gonna be left alone
You're not gonna be left
and
alone.
fucking lose.
I will never leave you alone. Why would I leave you alone?
Fucking, cause you'll die. Alright, over
I'm not
here.
gonna die. I can't die. I'm invincible. Look, I'm not even taking damage.
Mhm. Okay. Do I take? Let me see. Hell, I might die first at this rate.
You might. It'd be really sad if you died. I would cry.
Hmm. Good to know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm one of those emotional men.
Emotions.
Hmm.
You have emotions in there?
My favorite emotion is terrorism.
Oh, like a true American. I mean,
Rainbow, your terrorism is showing.
huh? Where?
I like how the repulsion armor did not a damn thing for me. I still take 3 damage from Void.
Yeah, they changed the way that Void deals damage.
Patrick, that's the name of the bomb. Huh? Oh.
Ooh. Looks like a strange.
All the way on the other side of the map.
Oh no.
It's down here.
Sorry, I'm
So how
opening
does
chests.
the Void do damage now?
It pierces defense.
Okay, but how come you take 1 damage and I take 3?
Because it doesn't account for the shaped glass.
Ah. Okay. Ah, great, more Molotov.
Ew.
Yeah. Oh, I have 666 health as my max.
Nice. Congrats.
Hmm.
You win.
I win at video game.
I want movie.
What movie?
The good one.
Saw 3D.
I
Hey, you asked for a movie, man. You didn't specify which one.
I said good, and Saw 2D is a bit of a stretch to call good, but
That's true.
it's a movie though, so that works. Whatever. Been a long time. Anyways.
Alright, up here.
I was thinking, I had a thought come to me.
You
What if I try and watch sometimes? And no, Blake, they're not all about terrorism.
Okay. That was my
Are
next
you
question.
sure, though?
But I was thinking, what if I watch a movie drunk or anything drunk? And then I thought more, and like, that's a bad idea.
What is this? Is this game is falling in love with Molotovs, man? But yeah, watching a movie drunk, I guess it depends on the movie.
It depends on your
I
tolerance.
watched Scott
for
Pilgrim
alcohol.
with you.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, I fucking love Scott Pilgrim versus the World.
Who doesn't?
Probably Starry. She's probably never seen it.
Oh,
No,
really?
I
Both
have
ways.
seen it and I liked it.
It's one of my favorite movies.
Uh,
Oh, there's a scrapper.
Yep, I saw that coming up.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thanks, I guess. Well, I mean, you are doing most of the work this void run, so like.
Where to, boss?
Right here. Bighorn bisons.
Oh no! Someone stop
Big
them.
beefy bisons.
I'm basically unstoppable right now, so
Hmm.
I'll just kill anything that walks up here. Just keep an eye in the sky for a bell, I guess.
Okay. And then when I do see a bell, I'll miss all my shots, don't worry.
This is riveting gameplay.
God, my secondary does so little damage. Hmm. Thrilling. Runald's bands. Oh, fuck.
Shoot anything that moves.
Okay.
Oh, go hook over here.
Hmm. Yeah, I saw that. I don't have anything that I want to discard, though. Ooh, puke.
Galele, baby. Ukulele apology.
Hmm.
You'll probably have to take care of the rats.
Okay.
I'll take care of the big guys. Like the bulls, the guys, and the bells.
I'm the exterminator.
Yeah. Might be the easiest word of my life.
Ow!
Did you almost die?
Fuck! Yeah, the bell got a crit on me!
Damn. Here's.
Fuck!
Ow.
What? What the fuck? Oh, wait,
dead.
here.
Huh?
No,
Oh.
you're not.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, I already
Alive.
took your item, but over this way.
Did you take my
Yeah.
sail star?
Oh, I did, yeah. Sorry.
Fuck you!
I forgot I had a solution before I decided. Fuck me. I need to wait here for a bit.
Get my healing thing.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh. Health. Just got a fucking notification. Fuck. Alright. I'm good. Fuck, I missed.
Well, hit, dumbass.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh. I didn't know that the seed that brings back to life after it was used, it can still be used for something else.
Yeah.
That's nice to know. Over in this direction. Not up top, just it's over there. Oh, I forgot I had a sail star. Okay. Help. Danke.
Alright, watch me get the coil. Okay, never mind.
Tesla coil? Fuck.
Alright. Oh, unstable Tesla
Tesla
coil.
Unstable coil.
I love unstable Tesla coil. I love unstable Tesla coil, Charlie. I love unstable Tesla coil.
I don't think you should be saying that out loud. Where's that scrapper we found?
Right here.
Oh.
I don't think I'd scrap anything. Yeah. I guess.
Oh dear.
What?
We scrapped the Lemure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll scrap the ukuleles if you keep talking shit.
That just harms only yourself, but okay. Whatever. I think there was a green printer somewhere here.
There
I
was.
just don't know
It's
what
on
it
the.
was.
I think it's a rose buckler.
Hmm.
It's over there.
Hmm.
I'm ready if you were.
Yeah, probably. Now I realize why the fucking flower thing that I have didn't do what I expected it to. It's because I have the bottled chaos.
Oh.
So it gives an extra effect whenever I use my thing. Let me know if you see a large chest.
Okay.
And I will fight the desire to open up regular chests as hard as I can.
Okay. The world decided it so.
What?
I saw there's a shop terminal with 2 stun grenades and a mystery one. So I hit the mystery one and it gave me a stun grenade.
You cannot escape fate.
If you see a large chest, let me know.
Oh, do
Or
you
the
also have a
lockbox.
sales star?
Yeah. I had one before you.
Oh, did you? Okay.
And then you took mine.
Oh, yeah. Well, you were dead.
That's no excuse for thievery. Hey, large chest. Ooh, hell yeah.
Officer, I swear, he was dead. I checked his pulse and everything. He was gone, dusted, done. 6 feet under.
Officer, I swear he wasn't dead when I found him.
Wait a second.
Dude, what's with all the fucking Molotovs?
That's what I'm saying, man. Game just loves Molotovs, man.
It does.
What you got there? Oh, surprising. Man, are there no other large chests?
I have my lockbox, I guess. Somewhere on the stage.
Good for you, I have a sales star and I don't have any place to use it.
El Bozo.
Gerber.
That is a W from Charlie.
Yup. Nice.
According to Big Boss. Watch me, Molotov.
Almost 7 o'clock.
You're smart.
Yeah, I know. I was hoping it was gonna be both Molotovs, but apparently, I gotta go for dinner.
Oh? Okay.
So,
Is that the end of the run then? Is that the end of the run? Yep.
She's muted.
Sorry. Yeah, well, I mean, you can continue it by yourself if you want, but I gotta go for dinner.
Okay. I don't really want to, but okay. There's not really a point. Die. I now glow. For fun. Okay, get out of here.
For fundies?
For funsies.
For fundies?